Here we are, Rehoboth. 13th day of May, 2024. We're walking down the boardwalk here. See a lot of these pizza restaurants. Saw a couple of shirts. So it's a little kind of thing like Ocean City, but not. I mean, it's a little different. All kind of TV, all kinds of stuff in here. You can tell all kinds of fun stuff. Shirts, left and right. A lot of these are Mr. Popularity. Stu as well. So we have the home of the Delaware, the home of the 46th. And for the ladies, of course, lots of dogs. We have sissy ball, footballs. A lot of Eagle fans. You see a lot of the Donald J. Trump that said that no surrender. Then if he didn't surrender, then why has he got a mugshot? Ice cream, obviously.
You know your boy's back. Alan's back.
Gus and Gus. It's not too bad. No, we had to pay for parking.
Just nothing to do with a register.
See anything in there?
Yeah, but it looked too small.
Too small? Oh, okay.
I mean, that's what's been laid down from what I've heard.
Right.
I don't start till 3:15, so I don't know. But I'm just saying that I've been close to
All kinds of dogs. Uh-oh, he's running off. He's running off. We're getting ready for the season. You say Hoda has something down here from
She used to. I don't know if she still does. I think she still does. She has a house.
some stuff are open. I did find a shirt I kind of liked. I got music in this. I really can't go in there, so there's music, so I can't really go. I'll just be walking, okay? All kinds of stuff for the kids if you want. You got shirts. They had all kinds of fun stuff. A lot of dogs. Fun land. It's nice to have public restrooms here. You can hang out here. Look out in the Atlantic. Yeah, we're gonna go down. Last day tomorrow, we're gonna walk back down our boardwalk. I want to get a long sleeve T-shirt. So, fun land. Probably 15-year-old mine, probably. Spend some of my casino winnings. And some t-shirts. Welcome. Yeah, the Rip Tides. Those can be pretty dangerous. They'll take you out to. If you don't, I think you got to swim at a sideways to do it. So it's kind of a cool boardwalk. We went down to Virginia Beach yesterday. Walked down there. I didn't do any videos down there. We went down there already. Bought some sunglasses I broke last year. These ones this year were a little more enforced. Star of the Sea. You can tell they're not open yet. Waves are pretty good. The water's cold. You know, this place is busy as hell. So I guess a week you have to start paying for parking. I know next week at Ocean City they have a car show. Classic cars, so. A little windy out here today. I know. Well, nothing's really open. Right. Seating in the store. Let me know if you see anything in there. Do not play with the balls until purchasing. Why not? On YouTube, I can do whatever I want. I will play them. Play with the balls, right? The size of basketballs. The gangster Aaron Hernandez. The gangsters. Mr. Hernandez. Love hot moms, right? You go shelling away. You got your lovely and talented boogie boards. So close I'll get to surfing is boogie boards. Oh yeah. Or digging in the sand with the kids. Hell yeah. All kinds of fun stuff. Blowout, yeah, I'm gonna be one of those. Yeah, you can buy one of those.
What?
Blowout. No. We're hiring. Uh-huh. Star of the Sea, oceanfront condos, huh? Oh yeah. Go in there and buy some jewelry. How was that store?
On the way back, we can stop at Dewey also. Dewey Beach is on the way.
Oh, it is?
That's just condos, townhouses, hotels, whatever.
Yeah. So,
When we drove up, I saw some stuff on the side of the road.
okay. So yeah, not much. Anyways, I don't know what's on the other side down there, but anyways, kind of see, there's the ocean. There it is, the Atlantic. You can see there's an old bridge over there or something. So anyways, guys, see you in the next one.